So to make the miniature balloons you're going to need some polymer clay, so I'm using this Fimo one. It does say soft, but you do need to work with it a bit just to make it a bit more pliable. And I'm also using some Florist wire. This is really flexible and you can also bake it in the oven at the temperature that you bake the clay in. You'll just need to work with the clay a bit, as you can see I'm doing here, just to make it a bit more softer and it can be easily shaped. And then you will need to sort of mould this into a balloon shape, so sort of like a teardrop, like a rounded shape basically. And then once you're happy with the shape, you can then cut off a smaller piece and roll this out into sort of a long sausage shape, a very thin one, and then you can put this on the end of the balloon as if it was to be tied up, so it looks as though it's the bit that you tie up to keep the air in once a balloon's been blown up. And then you can go ahead and cut off some wire. So I've just basically poked this through the middle and then cut it quite long, so then if I don't want it too long I can cut it shorter later on, but for now I'm going to keep the wires quite long. So once you're ready to bake it in the oven, you can do this at 110 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So once you've taken your balloons out of the oven, they should be hard now. And as you can see, this is my one. So I'm just going to take a piece of sandpaper and sand it down just to smooth out any creases and get rid of any of the dust that settled onto the balloon as I was making it. And then lastly I'm going to use some clear glue just to give the balloon like a bit of a shine. You can use like clear nail varnish as well if you want to. So here's my final balloon after all the glue has dried. As you can see, it's really shiny. I'm really pleased with the results. Let me know what kind of colours you're going to make your balloons, and if you enjoyed watching the video, please leave a like. Thank you for watching.